Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add guides in Photoshop. So basically, in order to add guides in Photoshop, the first thing you need to make sure to do is that you have Photoshop opened and that you are in a document, of course, which is really obvious. Now let's say that I want to add guides. What I can do is go at the top of my app. You will find this taskbar right here where you can click on View. And then you will find guides here at the bottom. So click on guides and you basically want to hover over guides. And then what you need to do is click on new guide right here. Then right here, this is basically where you can add guides. So what you want to do is you can either add a horizontal guide, which is basically like this, or a vertical guide, which is like this, of course. Now let's say that I want to see the exact middle point of my document. Then what I can simply do is add a horizontal and vertical guide. Now in order to do that, how do I basically say where the middle of my document is using a guide? Well, it's really easy. When you type in 50%, the guide will be placed exactly in the middle. So let's say we do vertical at 50%, and you can also change the color, not really important, and just click on OK. You can literally see that exactly at the middle the guide will be placed. Now if we add another guide, just like this, and we basically want to add it horizontal right now, we want to also add it in the middle, so we get a middle point. You just simply type in 50% again, and then you will literally just see the exact middle point over on your document using these guides. And that's basically how you can use and add guides. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. Then in order to delete those guides, what you can do is click on View again, Guides, Clear Canva Guides, or you can just click on Clear Guides just like this, and then all the guides are gone. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.